Is this American?
Yndi.
Oh, gosh, it's going to be cheesy.
Maen nhw gyd yn cwrdd, like speed dating yn pots.
Yeah.
Ond maen nhw methu gweld ei gilydd o gwbl.
Sy'n defo isan am pyjamas fi. Bitedd a hwch. A fe. A just dweud, hey, I'm such a nice girl, you know. A fe. I always make an effort.
I'm fortunate, like I have an interesting and lucrative job. I'm an art dealer.
Oh, mae'n loaded.
Mae'n undid. Be mae art dealer yn neud?
Mae fath a drug dealer ond just efo art.
Yeah, okay.
One of my biggest insecurities is that a girl only wants me like for money.
Mae pawb yn meddwl art dealer, arian.
Fart dealer.
Tic.
That's what love's all about. I love money.
Can you buy love? Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
I think that an experience like this that focuses on the emotional connection first is an opportunity that I couldn't pass up.
O paid â deud beauty ta, ia?
Ti'n gweud, I'm in sales.
Yeah.
Sa rhywbeth fel hyn ddim yn gweithio yng Nghymru nesa, achos mae pob yn abod ei gilydd, tydi? O, dwi'n abod o fam. Iawn,
I am single because I chase fun.
Oh.
But if you chase fun all the time, so ti'n mynd i bod yn hapus byth, di ti?
Dwi'n mynd licio ffyn i mwy, so felly fydd yn gwely wan pyjamas fi ar.
Da ni just setlo. Bottle.
Wait!
There's me chasing fun.
Not very fast now.
My dating history is athletes and rock stars.
Oh, fath o dating history fi.
Mae dating history vagrant.
Chavs, the types.
Some people want to be boss babes and make all the money and live their lifestyle, and that's not how I want to live.
A mae rai pobl jyst mae'n neud dim byd.
Oh, mae ar ôl y pres.
Dollar.
Digon teg, mae'n gwybod be mae eisiau.
Like I'm like really fortunate to be 30 years old and like really not like have to worry about money at all.
But fe jyst i completely contradicto i nan.
I know, bless him.
Oh.
Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
Dyna be mae hon isio.
O, sbyn ni'n smyrcian. Ti'n gweld hynna? Mae eitha, I can see the ring now.
Like I grew up like very well off.
Oh, caid y geg.
How would you split the bills? Would it be 50-50?
50-50 or 100% you?
Can I give 0 and you pay for everything?
What's mine is mine, what's his is mine.
Dwi'n ni splitio fe, ia?
I forgot my wallet.
Even os there's a favour, mae'n £2.50 each.
Grooming and nails and hair and my workout classes and stuff are expensive.
O, mae very materialistic. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n delicio hi, ste.
So mae hi basically yn deitha fo, listen, na i wneud yn hyn beautiful i chdi a yn fel, ond ti'n talu.
Yn hollol.
My last relationship, I was taken care of 100%.
Then why aren't you in it then, love?
Be ti'n licio byw fyda? Na fi. I ain't saying she's a gold digger.
It's deep and like I grew up financially like very well off.
Oh my God. Mae dal yn mynd on.
Oh my God, just a massive cringe.
Mae'n siarad y bit i fe to.
Ie, fy mod.
I was learning Italian art terminology when I was like 6.
Money ydi personality fo.
Ia.
Sprezzatura.
Bredadora, fatha bod o'n anodd yn neud, ia.
Spritadora ar y seti. Spritadora yn cysgu.
Idioto.
That's Italian for
I'm a dick.
the consciously
Rich.
trying to make something seem effortless.
A boring.
Dim ots gen i fi os ydyn billionaire, sy'n mynd yn agor, tan yna.
So gorau di bres i fyny dyn, gynnu.
Britney's gonna be expensive.
Yep.
Mae hwn di gweithio allan. Da iawn.
I have money.
Leo,
Oh, you absolute tool.
Don't mind me, dwi'n di update your dating profile me. Carwyn 30 art dealer.